Hello everyone. Today I would like to show you all how to use widgets on Apple Watch. Let's have a look. First, wake your Apple Watch. To see widgets on your Apple Watch, sliding up from the bottom of the screen or rotating the crown. Then tap and hold one of the widgets that appears. Then tap the plus button at the top of the screen. Scroll through the list of widgets and select which one you want to have appear. Tap on the widget to add. Repeat the steps for any other widgets that you want to add. You can use up to 7 widgets at a time. Once you finished adding widgets, tap Done button in the top right corner. So these are the steps to use widgets on Apple Watch. Hope this video helped you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.